I can say now my Gurudev, Vishal Saini, and my very, very respected my coach, Srika Madam. First of all, I would like to say 2 lines about me. I am Dr. S Narang, MD, childhood. And being a doctor, joining some other allopathy, sometimes I feel it is difficult. But I listened few of the lectures of Vishalji, and I was so impressed. We are now I am practicing since last 42 years, and whatever we treat, we can say that in emergency or when there is acute problem, our allopathy is really good. Though Vishalji, what he will say, I don't know, but that is really good. But for some chronic disease or some, say, when we are curing with the medicines, so we are not very sure that we will be able to remove the medicines completely, or we can withdraw the things completely. Full cure in allopathy is very difficult. Though in child we are getting very good results. Pediatrics, बच्चे आते हैं, acute problem है, mother, father, family, whole members are very much disturbed, and when we treat them, बल्ले बल्ले करके जाते हैं, टासा मातो भगवान हुआ ये, but in adults or I can say in the routine diseases, we don't have that good result. In a way that we cannot withdraw the things. When I listen his lectures only, first I planned to get a silver membership. And when I joined this 2-day high workshop and all that, I was so much impressed that in the beginning when I just listened, when I joined the silver membership, I started few of his tips. How to use earth, earthing, MRP, EMF, and I am thankful to Almighty. I have got a good garden about in 1800 years, but that was not being used. And after his lecture, I started using that garden like anything. 41 crores were not being used at all. But with his teachings and lessons, or when I started sitting in the sun, using garden in the morning, so whatever my routine works were in the morning, I started doing in the garden. And few of the things today advise, so in morning you have to take this, after 2 hours you have to take this, you have to take everything as per your plan and all that. I started doing that, and I'm proud to say I was taking 17 medicines orally per day. Out of which 6-7 medicines were for my diabetes, 3 medicines were for the heart, 2 medicines were for the BP. But I was having so many problems, and total 17 medicines I was taking. Within 20 days, I stopped every minute. Though she has assured me that I will try to remove insulin also from this, though I am not getting very good result, to be very clear and sincere. But I think they are doing their efforts. Sometimes being a very busy by schedule and I'm not able to follow the full program. And secondly, I was very busy with tasks since the last 4 or 5 months I was not ready to join gold membership. Then I requested Vishalji, though I want to join late, but I want I should join also so that I will get little benefit. So he said, we will cooperate with you, you want to join, you can join. And same thing was from. I must say that Vishalji and the whole team, they are so sincere to cure us, to help us, to bring our health, our life to the normal pattern without medicine. I'm really proud of these people. And now, she's pushing me up. कैसा आप चिंता मत करो, आपकी इंसुलिन भी घटेगी, and I'm sure ये घटेगी. The problem is this: being a doctor, I know what is the status of my pancreas. In pancreas, I can have to discuss beta cells of Langerhans. These are the cells responsible to secrete the insulin. But I belong to a family in which there is a genetic problem that being a doctor, I can guess that we are having a very, very weak pancreas. Our beta cells are not working up to the mark. They are not able to secrete so much insulin. So maybe that I have to take some. So they say they will remove it completely. But I am satisfied if they do it 50% also. But the main thing I want to now say, after attending, when I had a result, I take silver membership, I promoted it to gold. So now my key message, I don't want to take much of time because there are so many other plans to go with. Key messages which I have learned from lectures and this today retreat, that they are teaching us how to transform ourselves. हम अपनी जिंदगी में एक अच्छा इंसान बनने के साथ साथ we have to first take care of our health. I can say wealth also when health is a wealth. And to some extent, the religious that we are saying so many, always he is saying everything is at the mind. And we have to cure ourselves healthy. In health, I say health, our emotions, our mind, our mentality, our approach. Our approach first, it should be the message which I have made. I may be right or wrong, I don't know. First, I should apply it, we should apply it on ourselves. We should be a healthy person, physically, mentally, emotionally. That we should be able to help ourselves fully, and how to we are making ourselves healthy. That message we should give to the others, and we should try to कि उनकी जिंदगी में भी कैसे सुधार, जैसे ये हमें ठीक कर रहे हैं, हमारा ये मोशन होना चाहिए, ये हमारा प्लान होना चाहिए, या पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ we are going to explain what there in the data. What is our purpose of life? So now my purpose of life has been little bit changed. I want to say that कि हमें अपने आप को भी ठीक करना है और सोसाइटी के लिए भी कुछ करना है. तो इसके लिए हमें क्या करना होगा? पहले अपने पे पूरा इनका प्रोग्राम को लगावे, अपने को ठीक करें, और फिर लोगों के लिए एक एग्जाम्पल बने कि देखो इतनी डिजीजेज, इतनी मेडिसिन. I am a heart patient, मैं स्टंट पड़ा हुआ है, हमारा एक ज्वाइंट का रिप्लेसमेंट होता है, ज्वाइंट का, फिर मेरे इसका भी ऑपरेशन हुआ है, अपेंडिक्स वगैरह, so many things. So कहने का मतलब है कि ऐसा आदमी अगर ठीक हो सकता है, जो when he will be an example to the society and to the public, to the friends, to the circle, to our near dears, to our family members, to we are so much, we can say, social person. At this time in 7-8 organizations, and somewhere pattern, somewhere president, somewhere which I am also I have lead the state president. So हम हमारे जैसे आदमी अगर ठीक होके किसी को मैसेज देते हैं, that will give an impact. और हमारा जो पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ है कि सिर्फ हम अपने लिए ना जिए, लोगों के लिए भी जिए. इन्होंने मेरे को बोला कि आप डायबिटीज और इसको इम्प्रूव करते हो, कल को न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट बनते हो. मैंने डायबिटीज नहीं ली, उसका कारण यह है शादी मनी इज नॉट ए प्रॉब्लम फॉर मी. आई वांट आपके साथ जुड़ने के साथ मैं ऑनररी करूंगा. अगर हम ठीक हो जाते हैं तो मैं इन द presence of so many colleagues, I will say I am going to devote the rest of my life to the welfare of the public, to the society. That's our Go Nature team. So I am really thankful to you, sir. You have transformed our life, you have changed our life, and आपको भगवान लंबी उम्र दे कि आप इसी तरह सेवा करते रहे और हमारे जैसे लोगों को बिना दवाइयों के ठीक कर रहे हैं. You are really a force behind it. मतलब मैं कभी थोड़ा जाता जब मेरा शुगर लेवल बढ़ जाता है तो मैं खूब लंबा कर बात नहीं कर रही. एंड मेरी प्रॉब्लम क्या है विशाल जी? ना तो मैं अपनी वाइफ को बोल सकता हूँ, बच्चे मेरे दोनों डॉक्टर हैं, मेरी डॉक्टर के लिए डॉक्टर है, तो बोलते पापा ये कर क्या रहे हो बिगड़े डॉक्टर, लेकिन इनकी फोर्स हमारे साथ है जो करने की रास्ता पे. We will do it, and I hope we will do it. And तो मैं सबको एक मैसेज देना चाहूँगा. आज के इस सेशन के बाद we have to transform ourselves, and then we should work for the society. Whether you become a nutritionist or not, but take this message. हमें भगवान ने भेजा है सिर्फ अपने लिए, अपनी दुनिया के बाकी लोगों को भी कुछ मदद कर जाए, हमारे से किसी का कुछ भला हो जाए. I should. Thank you.
Dear friends, Vishal sir, the whole Go Nature team, and my dear colleagues who have joined this Go Nature course with me, good morning to everyone. I am really happy to say that being a doctor, I am Dr. S Narang, MD DCH. I have learned so many things in this course from Vishal sir that though we were knowing most of the things, but deeply how to utilize it and what is the significance of this in our life, this I can say कि I have learned from Vishal ji only. Now, though God has given me a very good lavish green garden in 1800 square yards, but I was not able to use it properly. But now since 15-20 days, I am using it the way it should have been used since long. Morning after meditation, I am in the garden from 7 a.m. to 8:30. And in this time, I am using deep breathing, taking sun bath, moving in the green grass barefooted, and taking even hot water and a little bit of juice वगैरह what has been prescribed by our great coach Madam Sunita. I must say कि the whole team is so cooperative. I was very busy in the month of August. Though I joined the course, paid the full payment, but I wanted to join it fully from September. And even Vishal sir and madam, they cooperated and said, okay, now I am going to join from 3rd September. So I want to say, my friends, that though I have not joined the full course, but just following the instructions, I have been benefited like anything. I am feeling more energetic. I am feeling very much fit. My routine active work has been done. In the whole day, I feel very much active. And at the same time, my oral medicines, which I am diabetic since last 30 years, and I was not able to reduce my medicines. Now my oral medicines has been reduced from, you can say, from 100% to less than 50%. And insulin, which before joining this course, I was taking about 50 units per day. That also little bit has been reduced to 45 units. So in nutshell, I can say that we must follow the full instructions of the team because it is really beneficial. And I must say that Vishal ji has got a vast knowledge of the subject. the way he explained so many medical things like Down phenomenon, which we call it neoglucogenesis also, where the liver starts working when their blood glucose level is less in our blood, and how especially in the night when we are in a fast mode, and liver feels ki mind feels that we should have more glucose, and liver starts producing glucose, which we call neoglucogenesis, and we get a higher reading in the fasting blood in that case, which is also called Down phenomenon. So many things, even MRP and how to use sunlight, what are the benefits of moving barefooted, how to use earthing. Mane, so many things I can't explain in this brief video, but I must say that I am thankful and indebted to Vishalji and his all team. God bless him. He is doing a real noble service. He is serving the humanity. I will pray to God, give him a long life so that he can serve the humanity same way for more and more years. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much. Thanks. Dear friends, it is my proud privilege to say few words about our this pause meeting at Agra organized by Go Nature team. I am really happy to say that it was a great event, well organized and very much educational. The whole team was so friendly and they kept care of everything, not only about the accommodation, food point and thorough a managed program, but also the whole 2 days program was very educational. From very first day, we are attached with what to do about our health, how to live in the society, what is the nature, how to attach ourselves with nature, so many things about 5 elements, details of that, how to use air, space, water, and fire, everything was explained so nicely, and how to follow it in life. That was very, very important. That all was explained very nicely. So I can say that this trip was like a person like me of a 77 plus senior citizens, we have enjoyed the holiday trip as a recreation trip, as a educational trip, especially I can say health education, and a very good short trip for 2.5 days. We have enjoyed it fully, and I feel that such trips should be organized which are educational and which give us importance, tell us the importance of life, how to use the nature, how to attach with the nature. And I say these words I have said earlier also. If you want to love God, God is love, love is God, and if you love the nature means you love the God, and if you love the nature you have to learn how to love the nature, and for that you should join the Go Nature team so that you can really know how to love the nature. Thank you everybody. I am also thankful to all the participants who were very friendly, and like a joint family we have enjoyed the event. Once again, thanks everybody. Thank you, sir. Thanks very much. Thank you.